Okay? Point palpation. The main points of point palpation is checking for tenderness. So when it's very tender on superficial pressure yung sa ibabaw, it is sign of full condition on that channel or local stagnation, okay? If there is pressure, nare-relieve ng ang pain, that is empty condition on that channel. And if the pressure relieves but then causes discomfort, it is mixed deficiency and excess condition, okay? Remember po. So all acupuncture points and ashi points can be used depending on the diagnosis, okay? So main points for palpation diagnosis, number 1, front collecting move points sa harap, back transporting shoe points sa likod, lower C points, source or the Yuan points, and the Ashi points, okay? Let's go to front mu points. Mu means raise, collect, and enlist and recruit, okay? It is the points where the chi of the relevant organs get collected. So, andyan po yung drawing. Then, bakshu points. It is where the points are located on the bladder channels. It reflects specifically the condition of the relevant internal organ instead of its channel. So, every point mayroon pong internal organ. Ha? Bladder 13, like for example, is for the lungs, bladder 15, for the heart, bladder 17, bladder 18, bladder 19. Yan po, may mga iba-ibang organs na naka-infuse dyan sa ating back. Okay? Then the lower C points, it is the points. Points are used to treat the respective young organs, okay? There is a column here, the organ, then the point, and then the channel, and then the organ and the point. So in the organ of large intestine, the point is stomach 37, the channel is the yang ming, the organ is stomach, and the point is stomach 36, okay? Sanjiao, point is UB39, the channel is Xiaoyang, the organ is gallbladder, and the point is UB34. Okay, stomach, small intestine, stomach 39 ang point, channel is Taiyang, the organ is urinary bladder, and the point is UB40. Okay? U1 points, may kasabihan dito, if the 5 yin organs are diseased, abnormal reactions will appear at the 12 source points. If we know the correspondence of source points to the relevant yin organ, we can diagnose when a yin organ is diseased. Spiritual Axis Chapter 1. Okay? So, U1 points, ito yung source points for the yin organs. Column ng yin organ and then the other source point. Yin organ, lungs, lung 9 ang source point. Heart, pericardium 7. Spleen, spleen 3. Liver, liver 3. And the kidneys, kidney 3. Yan po. Okay? The Ashi points, Ashi theory. If there is soreness on pressure, whether on a channel or not, there is a point. So, yun yung Ashi point, yung local points yan. Body is completely covered by different channels, so every area is irrigated by them. Pressure and description of the condition will reflect the channel which it is closest to.